Hey everybody, here I am in my brand new kitchen, and hopefully this new kitchen with the new job and everything allows me to post videos on a more regular basis than what I've been doing. So anyway, what we're making today is a creamy Cajun style alfredo pasta dish. Anyway, stick around, hopefully you like it. I got some thin sliced chicken breasts. These are nice and thin. I bought these, they were already sliced. But you don't have to buy them thin. You can buy whole chicken breast and slice it up thin. I got a little more than a pound. Now we're going to take some Cajun seasoning. We're going to put most of that in here with our chicken, but I'm going to save a little bit for later. And I'm using Slap Your Mama, the low salt version. That's the Cajun season we like the best. But you use what you can get or what you like. Anyway, we're going to season this chicken up. And I got a pot of water boiling over here. Because we're going to cook pasta, you got to have boiling water, right? Let's get started cooking. I'm going to need to put a little oil in this pan. I got it warming up. Put about 2 tablespoons of oil in there. Don't freak out, it'll be all right. Now, I got my pot of water coming up to a boil. You can salt it or not salt it. That's a personal choice. Put our pasta in. We're going to give it a quick stir. We're going to bring it back to a boil. And the pasta should be done just about the same time that our dish is ready. Our pan's warm, or I think it is anyway. We're going to put our thin chicken breast down in here. We're going to brown these. I like using the thin ones because they cook through a lot faster. I don't want to serve anybody raw chicken. You get some color on this side, flip it over. When they're done on both sides, I'm going to take them out. Notice I'm using different tongs. That's because all the YouTube food police are going to come out trying to nail me. Now I'm going to finish the last of our chicken. Woo! I'm just going to do the same to these. And then I'm going to take them off, set them to the side, and I'll cut them up, but I'll probably do that off camera. Our chicken's done. So in our pan, I'm going to put some butter. This is real butter, not margarine. Now we're going to put our bell pepper, our onion, green onion, and garlic in here. We're saving some of the green onion for later. Don't freak out. To this, we're going to add the rest of our Cajun seasoning. Oh my, the garlic smells good. Our onion is now translucent. Our bell pepper is partially done. I don't want to cook it to mush. So what we're going to do, we're going to put in some heavy cream. We're going to bring that to a boil. Our cream is boiling. We're going to add our cheese, and we're going to start melting our cheese into it. And we're going to add the last of the green onion. And all we're doing at this point is we're melting the cheese, making it as thick as or thin as you want. If you want it thicker, add more cheese or let it cook a little longer. If you want it thinner, add more cream, more milk. If you want it lower calorie, I can't help you. Oh, by the way, the recipe and all the ingredients and everything will be on my website, on my cooking blog. I'd appreciate it if you come check it out. Now I got to strain out my pasta noodles because this sauce is just about done. I do not rinse my noodles. I just dump them out, strain them, and I add them back in. I want some starch clinging to the outside of my noodles. All right, got the pasta coming in here, accepting the sauce. The sauce is almost cooked down to where I want it. We got the chicken. We need to put all the juice from the chicken back in there. We don't want any of that flavor to get away from us. We're going to give this a stir, and our dish is basically done. This is very easy to do. It takes a little time, a little prep, but you could always prep that on the weekend, and then when you get home during the middle of the week, you could whip this dish up and somebody will think you slaved all day. Man, that looks fantastic.